Hello everyone, it is Mo with the Mo's Productions. Today I will be explaining how to use a Brookhaven helicopter to lift a vehicle. This also serves as a crew training tutorial for my crew, as they seem to also struggle with the same technique. And I am also struggling with the technique. So this is how you do it lightly. So see, I'm just ever so slightly hovering. You don't want to get too low to the ground, as you won't be able to manipulate the helicopter. So I will try to do it though. I can't even get it myself. So this has to be done just right. Now sometimes you may have to get the vehicle against a wall. The vehicle that you are trying to move. So let's use the police station, for example. Let's just use it as like a ramp. And this is one of the positions called the right side lift. Now just see, don't do nothing too much, because if you do over-exaggerated movements, it won't. So yes, like I was saying, now you could also do it like this, which I prefer more, because you could actually get the vehicle on the helicopter. Oh, London got it. London got it. Okay. So yes, that's the reason why I'm making this video. It is to simply instruct London. And it seems like we're all struggling today. So I'm just gonna assume it's just something about today, because even I'm struggling. And London is... Okay, London got a bicycle. So yeah. It depends on the vehicle. Now, let me try with something else. Let's say this sports car, for example. Let's try a side grab on that. So these vehicles are a lot harder to get on the landing gear of the aircraft. So for these type of cars, you will actually need to use a building. And see? Perfect. So yes, it really depends on the vehicle. Now, this is one of the methods that you could get a lot of manipulation out of, and it won't fall off the helicopter. Now, if it gets too close to the edge, it may slip, like it just did there. It got too close to the edge.
From beach houses to family retreats,
so yes,
find the space that's just right for you and yours. Verbo.
Thank you all for watching this video.
Electrify America's EV charging
Thank
network
you all
leads you
for
where life
watching this
happens.
video.
Maybe that's a trip to the grocery store, a coffee
Audio.
run, or an